In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in YouTube Music. We will go from opening the app to finding exactly the song or video you want, even if you only remember a few words. First, open YouTube Music. On a phone or tablet, tap the YouTube Music app icon. On a computer, open your browser and go to music.youtube.com. When it loads, you should see the Home tab with recommendations, a bottom navigation bar on mobile, or a left sidebar on desktop. If you see suggested mixes and artists, you are in the right place to start your search. Next, tap or click the magnifying glass search icon at the top right corner of the screen. On mobile, it is usually in the top bar, near your profile picture. On desktop, it sits in the upper right of the header. Once you select it, the screen changes to a search page, and a text box appears near the top, with your keyboard ready for typing or dictation. Now type your search terms into the text box. You can type exact song titles, artist names, album titles, lyrics, or descriptions. YouTube Music is flexible, so even partial information can work. For example, you can type a line of lyrics you remember, or a mood like chill study beats. As you type, you will often see suggestions drop down under the box, including songs, artists, and playlists. You can keep typing to refine, or tap one of those suggestions if it already matches what you want. As an alternative, tap the microphone icon to use voice search or hum the tune. On mobile, you might be asked for permission to use the microphone the first time, so allow that if you want voice search. Then speak the song name, artist, or a short phrase, or hum the melody. YouTube Music sends that audio and shows matching results once it recognizes something. If nothing matches, it usually returns to the search box, so you can try again with clearer words or a different tune. Once you have entered your words, press enter or tap the search key on your keyboard. On phones, that is usually a search button or a magnifying glass on the keyboard itself. After you confirm, the screen switches to a results page. Here you see a mix of songs, videos, artists, albums, and playlists that match your search. After that, once your initial results load, a row of filter chips appears at the top of the screen. Tap one to narrow down your results, like songs, videos, albums, artists, playlists, or featured profiles. When you tap a chip, the list below instantly updates to show only that type, so choosing songs hides long videos and full albums. Beginners often forget these chips and scroll forever, so always glance at them first if your target type is missing. At this point, tap the song or video from the filtered list to start playing it immediately. The player opens at the bottom on mobile or at the bottom left on desktop, and the track begins. You will see the title, artist name, and playback controls like play, pause, and skip. If you chose a video, the thumbnail appears and you can expand it to watch. Finally, tap the three-dot menu icon next to any search result to add it to your library, add it to a playlist, or download it for offline listening. When you tap that menu, a small list pops up with these options. Add to library saves it under your library tab so you can find it again quickly. Add to playlist lets you drop the song into an existing playlist or create a new one on the spot. Download makes the track available when you are offline, which is useful if your connection is unstable. But remember that downloads require an active premium subscription. You just learned how to search in YouTube Music, filter your results, and save or play exactly what you find. So if that helped you track down your songs, please give this video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more YouTube Music tips.